Hello, today is a tutorial video to introduce Sigma X500 app, Sigma Air. Now we enter the image transmission screen, showing the picture transmitted from the Sigma X500 real-time shooting status. The first is the Wi-Fi signal of X500 in the upper left corner. The higher the number of signal grids, the better the signal of mobile phone and X500. This is the identification of optical flow positioning. Indicate that optical string location cannot be used currently. Stop flickering. Optical flow positioning is started. You can fly without GPS signals. This is the logo of GPS mode. Similarly, when the GPS mode is unavailable, the logo will flicker. When the GPS mode is available, the logo will not flicker. Next, we see the power display icon of X500 show. Under the condition of low power, the icon will turn red. Beginners should always pay attention to the change of battery power, avoid the running of power in the air. The three rows of data in the middle are height distance, vertical and horizontal speed, latitude and longitude information. Next to the X500 camera switch. After clicking, the camera is an optical flow-assisted positioning camera. In addition, the pixels of main camera are higher, so switching is generally not required. This is VR mode. After clicking, you can bring a VR glasses and put your mobile phone in the VR glasses. This is a flight record, where you can browse the previous flight time, distance, altitude, speed, etc. This is the parameter setting, in which you can set the maximum flight height and distance. You can also turn on the novice mode to limit X500 to fly in the range of 30 meters high and 30 meters away. This is a photo of aerial photography materials. You can click in to browse the materials taken before. The first virtual joystick on the left. This is the MV mode. After clicking, you can select music and filter. This is a switch between fast and slow speed mode. 15% is slow speed and 100% is fast speed. This is the button to switch the video shooting. Switch to the left to take photos, the right to take videos. After selection, click the shooting button below. X500 will start taking photos or video recording. This is the switch to start the motor. Click you can start the motor. Click again to close the motor. This is one key landing. It cannot be used without starting the motor. Click it after starting the motor, and the drone will automatically take off to a height of 1.5 meters, and then click. The UAV automatically landed back to the ground. This is a sliding bar to adjust the angle of the camera. Slide the camera up and down. The first one on the right is one key return button. This is the following mode. Click it and three following modes will appear. The first is portrait following. Then there is a palm control, followed by GPS. This is a surround flight. The points here are trajectory flight plan and waypoint flight respectively. There is a map option in the lower right corner. After clicking on it, we can see the location of the UAV. At this moment, a big circle appears in the picture. It means that Sigma X500 will not fly out of this circle, which is very safe. Finally, there is a stop button at the top center of the screen. After clicking, Sigma X500 will instantly stop working and fall freely, so do not click unless you have to. Okay, all of above is the introduction of Sigma X500 app, Sigma Air. If you like Joe's, click to subscribe to us.